Welcome to our channel. Using your Venmo debit card at ATMs allows you to withdraw cash from your Venmo balance or reload your card at participating locations. Step 1. Ensure you have a Venmo debit card, which you can request through the Venmo app if you haven't already. Step 2. Locate a MoneyPass ATM for fee-free withdrawals by using the ATM locator in the Venmo app. Step 3. Insert your Venmo debit card into the ATM card slot. Step 4. Enter your 4-digit PIN when prompted by the ATM. Step 5. Select withdrawal from the ATM menu options. Step 6. Choose checking as your account type even though your Venmo funds are accessed through your Venmo debit card. Step 7. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind daily withdrawal limits. Step 8. Venmo allows up to $400 in ATM withdrawals per day at MoneyPass ATMs. Step 9. Confirm the transaction and wait for the ATM to dispense your cash. Step 10. Take your cash receipt and card from the ATM. Step 11. Note that using non-MoneyPass ATMs may incur fees from both the ATM operator and Venmo. Step 12. Check your Venmo app to see the transaction reflected in your balance and transaction history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.